Now to present the award for the best sound effects, a young lady who, well, she apparently has everything. Youth, beauty, talent. She has a day of the week all to herself, Miss Tuesday Weld.
The nominees for Best Achievement in Sound Effects are Robert L. Bratton, A Gathering of Eagles, and Walter G. Elliott for It's a Mad, 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 Mad World. The winner is... The winner is Walter G. Elliott. It's a Mad, 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 Mad World.
Thank you very much. From all of us in the Mad, Mad, Mad World, thank you very, very much.